Hi neighbors, welcome to my channel. My name is Jerry Ellen, my husband's name is Graham, and we're on our way to a local country general store type of thing in our area to pick up an ingredient for today's recipe. We're making a Thanksgiving poutine. Thanksgiving or Christmas poutine, whatever you want to call it, it's delicious. So stick around and let's get into this. I love this store. It has so much. I'm just going over here to grab the cheese curds, but I'm just kind of letting you look around, but I'm going a little fast with the camera. I apologize. So I'm gonna, these are pepperettes. If you have a bite of cheese curd and a bite of pepperette and cheese curds go hand in hand. Delicious. Anyway, I'm going to go over and I'm going to grab some white cheddar cheese curds, and I want to tell you a little story. There is a young gentleman back home that has Down syndrome that really loves to tell the weather, and he always comes on Twitter, Facebook, and whatnot, and lets everyone know in the area what the weather is going to be like in Nova Scotia, Cape Breton. And they got to know him very well back home. And whenever there was a storm, he'd tell everyone, make sure you get your storm chips. And Graham found some storm chips here. I was like, oh my goodness, that's so nice. They make them at the Covered Bridge in New Brunswick back in the Maritimes. It got so popular, him telling people to get their storm chips, that Sobeys and other places started to put storm chips in the chip aisle. I'll zoom in on Grimace. Grimace is a dot.
St. Jacob's fruit.
This is a shot of the turkey that I did this same day that I did the turkey video after brining it and everything, and I'll link it at the end of this video and in the description box. I just wanted to do like a different video for this recipe. I promised my friend here, Robert, that I would do this Thanksgiving poutine, and I thought, something that he would really like to make, perhaps. And also, I think there may be others like out there that may be interested in making this Thanksgiving or Christmas poutine, if you will. It's really tasty. It's very unique. You can use, if you don't have cheese curds, you can use mozzarella, or you can use grated mozzarella, or you can use grated cheddar. Use the cheese that you're going to enjoy. If you can't find cheese curds, don't worry about it. Back home, Cape Breton Island, and they use grated cheese a lot. They don't always use cheese curds. Same with Newfoundland. So you get yourself a good plate of French fries, okay? I put a wing on there for my hubby because he likes turkey wings. So I put a turkey wing on the side. I'm going to put a little bit of stuffing because it can't be a Thanksgiving or a Christmas poutine without some stuffing. And then I'm going to add some turkey on top of that. And then I'm going to put some more stuffing. And now some cheese curds with clean hands, everyone. started to put the cranberry sauce on, and then I decided, you know what? I'm going to put the gravy on first before I add the cranberry sauce and all that deliciousness. And I'm going to show you what the plate looks like. Then I'm going to just pick up a small serving for myself to give it a good old tasty brew. Graham was like, that is the best poutine you ever made. He loved it so much. I made it for him other years, but he said it's the best. Maybe it's the brine that's on that turkey this time. I haven't made that brine turkey in years. I used to make it when I used to have big gatherings, summer barbecues and stuff. I brine it, and then I would barbecue it and stuff. But anyway, let's get back to this. I'm going to turn up the volume, like the sound that I took out. I'm going to add back in to see if you can hear Graham in the background enjoying his poutine while we're watching football. And let me know, neighbors, have you ever had this poutine before or heard of it? I'm sure some of my Canadian friends here have, but yeah, let me know if you think that you like to try this. If you haven't already, comment down below. I love to hear from you. Thanks, hon. I'm glad you like it. And neighbors, again, I'm going to leave the recipe. Don't worry, the recipe is going to be down in the description box under the video. It's not really a recipe, it's an assembly. You have to assemble the dish is really it. You're using your leftover turkey, your leftover stuffing, and leftover gravy and stuff like that. Things from your Christmas or Thanksgiving dinner. Anyway, I'm going to have a little tasty poo on camera here. And I thank you all so much for being here. You're wonderful neighbors. I can't even begin to tell you how much you all bless my life. I'm thankful for every single one of you. And Graham and I both thank you and love you all. And I hope that you have a wonderful weekend. God bless and take care. Bye.